Every RAG pipeline, every AI agent, every document analysis workflow hits the same wall, getting clean text out of messy files. PDFs lose their structure, Word docs come out garbled, spreadsheets turn into noise. Microsoft Research built a tool that converts 15 file formats into clean Markdown with one command. 97,000 stars, 4 million downloads a month, and it was born from winning one of the hardest AI benchmarks in the world. This is MarkItDown, Microsoft's open-source Python utility for converting files into Markdown. 97,000 stars, nearly 6,000 forks, MIT licensed. PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, HTML, images, audio, YouTube transcripts, zip archives, Outlook emails, EPUB, RSS feeds. 15 formats in, clean Markdown out, one pip install, one command, designed from the ground up for LLMs and RAG pipelines. Let's talk scale. 97,000 GitHub stars, nearly 6,000 forks, 4 million PyPI downloads every month, 74 contributors, 18 releases since November 2024. And here's the number that explains why. An HTML heading, like H1 title H1, costs 23 tokens. The same heading in Markdown costs 3 tokens. Across thousands of documents in a RAG pipeline, that token efficiency is the difference between fitting in your context window and not. And this is why it matters for AI. PDF documents with tables and headings, Word files with equations and formatting, PowerPoint decks with embedded content, Excel spreadsheets, HTML pages, images with EXIF metadata and optional OCR, audio files with speech-to-text transcription, YouTube URLs that pull the transcript, zip archives that extract and convert recursively, Outlook emails, EPUB books, RSS feeds, Wikipedia articles, Jupyter notebooks. All of it becomes clean, structured Markdown that LLMs natively understand. But here's where this gets interesting. The usage is dead simple. Pip install MarkItDown. Run MarkItDown on any file. Pipe the output to a Markdown file. 3 lines of Python if you want the API. But under the hood, it uses ML-based file type detection, a priority-based converter registry, and a plugin architecture for extensibility. It even ships an MCP server. Install MarkItDown-MCP, add it to Claude Desktop, and your AI assistant can convert any document mid-conversation. That's a native bridge between files and AI. Think about what this means for your pipeline. MarkItDown wasn't built as a side project. It was born from Microsoft Research's work on the GAIA benchmark, one of the hardest tests for generalist AI assistants, requiring agents to process complex, varied documents. The AutoGen team used 4 agents with MarkItDown as the document ingestion layer and more than doubled performance on the hardest level 3 questions. The tool that powers a benchmark-winning AI system is now MIT licensed and free for everyone. Now here's the honest comparison. IBM's Docling has better table detection and layout preservation. Marker has stronger structure fidelity. Llama Parse has the highest parsing quality. But MarkItDown is 100 times faster than Docling, supports more formats than any of them, has an MIT license with Microsoft backing, and ships a native MCP server. It trades perfect fidelity for speed, breadth, and simplicity. For most RAG pipelines, that's exactly the right trade-off of one pip install, one command, any file into clean Markdown. MarkItDown, the document layer that 97,000 developers trust to feed their AI pipelines. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.